Welcome to Keen Partners. It's great to have you on board. We've been appointed by your company to compile an R&D tax relief claim. In this short video, we're going to explain what is R&D tax relief, who we are, and the process we're going to take for making an R&D tax claim. R&D tax relief is a very generous government incentive scheme designed to reward innovative activities. A lot of companies don't believe that what they do is R&D and will qualify for tax relief. The definition is not limited to sophisticated blue sky thinking. In fact, the actual tax definition is much broader. R&D takes place when a project seeks an advance in science and/or technology through the resolution of a scientific or technological uncertainty. For example, a lot of companies believe that if they are being paid for their work, then they don't qualify for R&D tax relief. Thankfully, this isn't the case. Another myth is that companies believe that because they are not the trailblazer in their industry, they can't qualify. When in fact, as long as the information isn't publicly available because of trade secrets, you can claim simply for activities where you're keeping up with your competitors. Thirdly, the company doesn't have an R&D budget, therefore they can't claim R&D tax relief. Again, thankfully, this one is a myth too. One of the reasons we've been appointed is to not load you up with any additional work. Our job is to quickly extract and gather the information needed for the claim. We do this by spending a half day at your site. We call this the workshop. A little about us, we're a specialist R&D tax firm. The team you're going to meet at the workshop are from a technical background. Their job is to prepare the documentation needed to make the claim. Although the workshop is booked in for a half day, we will only need the whole team for 90 minutes. Following this, we'll break into a series of one-to-one interviews, which will be 45 minutes each. The next video will explain some basic preparation work that needs to be done. We're really looking forward to meeting you. Of course, if there are any questions at this stage, please don't hesitate to contact us.